Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Richard Corset, and today I'll be your flight service manager. I'll be managing all of the services in our upper class cabin, and we have James, who is looking after all of our customers in our economy and premium cabin. I do have an exceptional team of crew that's working alongside us all. If I can take the liberty of introducing you all to them, we have Dominic and Jane, Karen and Chloe, Julio and John, and Nicola and Mira. Well, the great news is that we have quite a respectable flight time today of 9 hours and 44 minutes. Of course, if you'd like to reset your watches, it's 1 o'clock in the morning in the UK. And with that really good flight time, we should be ahead of schedule, around about 13 minutes landing into the United Kingdom. So yeah, but we'll give you a little bit more information about that as we get a little bit closer to our destination. Well then, now that we are in the flight, there are just a few safety reminders that we do need to let you know about before we settle down for the flight. And of course, as the seatbelt signs are still illuminated, that we kindly ask that you keep your seatbelt on for now. Your seatbelt will help to keep you safe if we encounter any turbulence, so you should keep it fastened whenever you're in your seat. If turbulence is expected or occurs, then we shall switch on the seatbelt signs, and the crew will just need to do a visual check that your seatbelt is fastened. If you're using a blanket or a duvet, then just fasten it over the top so that we do not have to disturb you. If you are travelling with a baby and using a bassinet or skycot, then you will need to secure your baby back onto your lap during turbulence, just as you have done for takeoff. And if you're travelling in our premium or economy cabin today and using an infant cradle, then please just make sure that the body harness is fastened around at all times. Be careful if you open the overhead compartments in flight, as items may fall out and cause injury. Smoking, including electronic and smokeless cigarettes, are not allowed aboard, and the toilets are equipped with the smoke detectors. Some electronic equipment may interfere with the aircraft systems, and of course we have provided details of these on the back of the safety card. Well, to stay in touch with World Below, we are delighted to offer Wi-Fi service on this aircraft, starting at just £2.99. All you need to do is connect to the Virgin Atlantic Wi-Fi network and visit our portal. If you do need any help, then take a look at our Wi-Fi guide in your seat pockets, or our Vera magazine for more information. If you are connecting your electronic equipment to the in-seat power supply, then please do not leave it connected whilst you're not using it, just in case it overheats. Also, please do not connect any item that produces direct heat to our power supply. Our travel help program provides more information on in-seat exercises and how to stay comfortable during the flight. Well, I just wanted to say thank you very much for choosing Virgin Atlantic as your choice of airline to bring you to London Heathrow. I'm now going to pass you over to James, who's going to tell you a little bit more about the services that you're going to receive in our economy and premium cabin. If there is anything that my team and crew can do to improve your experience with us today, then please don't hesitate to ask. All we now say is just sit back and relax and enjoy the in-flight services and the entertainment on the display. Thank you.